Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Today I want to talk about elder law and estate planning as a woman's issue. And why is it a woman's issue? Well, women typically take on the role as caregiver in their families. So while they might be caring for their children, they may also be caring for parents. They could potentially be caring for a spouse or a sibling who is aging or disabled. And we want to make sure that just like in every other aspect of their lives, women are taking care of themselves as well. And it's the kind of old comparison to putting the oxygen mask on yourself first before you try to help somebody else. As women, we need to make sure that we have our planning in place. We have our power of attorney and our healthcare proxy and our trusts and wills in place so that should something happen to us, there's somebody to step in and help and assist take care of us in our situation. Also, because of our role as caregiver, we want to make sure that we're equipped with what we need to assist the other people in our lives. So maybe we have a child going off to college and we need to be their healthcare proxy in case something happens and we need to have contact with their school or with a hospital to be able to get medical information on their behalf. Or perhaps we're caring for our aging parents and we want to make sure that they have their power of attorney and their healthcare proxy in place so that our job of helping them is made a little bit easier because all of the correct documentation is in place. Perhaps we have a spouse who's sick and we want to make sure that our documents are properly preparing for what ifs your spouse needs care or you need care in the future. So there's so many ways that estate planning and elder law come into the picture for women, both as needing their own planning, but also to be able to continue to help the people that they love and the people that they care for and make it as easy as possible. And now with people living so much longer and people having children so much later, sometimes we can be looking at 5 generations where the person in the middle could be caring for a parent and a grandparent as well as a child and a grandchild. So it really is very important to make sure that all of your estate planning documents are in place, as are estate planning documents for those that you love and those that you care for. Please feel free to reach out so we can talk more about power of attorney, healthcare proxy, living will, asset protection trusts, Medicaid, anything that you might have questions about in that regard. We offer free consultations at any of our 3 offices in Port Jefferson, Melville, and Garden City. Please like, share, and subscribe this video so you can continue to get content every Monday. And please check out our website at conalaw.com, and we hope to see you again next week.